A lovely little girl was holding 2 apples in her hands. Her mom came in and asked softly to her little daughter with a smile, "My sweetie, could you give your mom one of those 2 apples?" The girl looked up to her mother for a few seconds, and then she took a bite from one of those apples and then from the other one. The mother was shocked. She tried not to reveal her disappointment to her daughter. Then after a few seconds, the girl handed one of those bitten apples to her mom. "Mommy, here you are. This one is more sweeter. You can have this." What is about children that make them so different? Why are they so happy and so cheered all the time? Why don't they easily get influenced by so much of the hate around them? Why? Well, it's because when people are young, they are not taught how to stay away from people who are black, or never have lunch with someone who doesn't belong to the same religion, or disrespect someone of the lower caste. That's what kids are all about, and this is because kids don't lack humanity. Today, most of the news stories concern terrorism, political debates, hatred, and corruption. These disturbing tales seem even more sensational due to their constant coverage on social media and mainstream media 24/7 news cycle. With so much negativity in the world, it's easy to feel sucked up into it, and due to all this, the world starts on taking that dark color. Mahatma Gandhi said, "You must not lose faith in humanity. Humanity is like an ocean. If few drops are dirty, the ocean doesn't become dirty." Just like that, our world is filled with people who try to make it dirty by spreading hate, negativity, and discrimination. Yet, there are those who still keep this ocean of mankind from not becoming covered with dirt. There are those who care. They care not about a particular religion or a particular caste, even a gender or any other division, but they care about creatures called humans. After hundreds of years, we're stuck in a pandemic, the coronavirus. Some call it COVID-19, some by SARS-2, and many call it by many other different names. Many have passed away. Many are suffering. Economic crisis in countries, people losing their jobs, poor dying of hunger, lockdown across the whole globe. We're feeling stressed and anxiety bursting in us. Earth doesn't seem to be the same as it was before. But yet, there is hope. We are seeing people, the most privileged ones, funding the poorest, feeding them, our medical health specialists fighting for our lives each and every day. Each and every human being supporting one another for the survival. Everyone doing their best to make sure that our world comes back to what it used to be. We are fighting to make the sufferings less. We are fighting to bring back the normalcy. We are fighting to bring back those smiles which have long gone. We are fighting to bring back those who are missed every day. We are fighting for humanity, mankind. We are fighting for each and every living being on this planet. Everyone is doing their best. So let's take a moment to salute those who are stuck in danger so that we can be safe at our homes. Let's take a moment to applaud those who are trying to feed their families even though they don't have shelter to live. Let's thank each other for being a good human being, for showing humanity, for caring, for spreading love, and doing what we do the best. That is, spreading joy. Let's not overthink and be happy, because good things are on their way. Not to curse, not to hate, just to relate what everyone's going through. Help those who need you. Give them love. Feed them if you can. act as a noble citizen, follow the rules, help in saving mankind, and show some humanity.